put the metal frame on top of the forest floor. First we take the litter layer. So this is the part of the forest floor where the leaves are loose, they are not stuck together. And so you remove them, the twigs are included, and the maximum amount of really fine material in your L layer is 10%. But now you see that the leaves, they start sticking together. Sometimes they so you see quite some fine organic material between the leaves. You can also see some these are animals, small animals. Sometimes you see the threads of the mycelia. So like this, yeah, this is very nice. And so this is all part of the F layer. So when you also take them out. Now for the sampling, we take the H layer together with the F in one recipient, but first take out the F layer. You see animals crawling around, and then below here is already the top of the mineral soil. So this we don't want to have in our sample, but we see in other places there's still organic material, and then we get into the H layer. So it's much more organic material. So the definition of the H layer is in fact that you have more than 70% non-recognizable remains. So here on the edges it's not so easy to pick it by hand, so you can use a knife. You see some worms, so they all go into the bucket of with the H material and with the OFH material, and then it's picking and scratching until you reach the mineral soil. So and here it's a quite loamy soil, so when you scratch the forest floor and you see that the material is sticking together, then generally you are reaching this silty layer. But the idea is that here you remove all the mixing of some parts you cannot recognize, but you see they're still organic in nature. So this is all part of the forest floor. This you remove till everything is gone. So then when you remove the frame, you can like restore the edges, and then you can measure the thickness of the OFH layer. So this is about 3.5 for the OFH. Here it's less, it's not that thick, so you have to be careful that the loose leaves are not like cheating. So let's say it's about 2.5. It's less deep, only 2. It's about 2.5 for the OFH layer, and I think about 1.5 for the OL layer.